A replacement post for cat trees. Covered in natural sisal, which is safe for your cat. The sisal rope is strong and durable. The post ends are exposed, so ideal to attach to a platform, condo, or base. Post diameter is 3.5 in/9 cm and includes threaded bolt and screws. Extend the life of your cat trees. This replacement scratching post for cat towers continues to indulge your furry friend's instinctive habits while encouraging appropriate scratching behavior. Scratching post keeps your cat's claws groomed. Replacement posts can update your current unit and keep your feline from ruining carpets, walls, or furniture. Designed to fit specific models from TRIXIE, so check for compatibility. Top reviews from the United States. Completely refurbished our cat tower with ease. These posts are exactly what I was looking for to rebuild a thoroughly shredded cat tower. 5 stars. The price per post was reasonable and the shipping time estimate was accurately spelled out in advance. Be aware that there seem to be 2 different common bolt sizes used for posts like these. The bolts for these were not the same size as the bolts on the old posts, but since I replaced all the posts together, that was not an issue. These posts came with all the hardware needed and the tower is very solid now.